Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more fitness tech reviews. Here's our in-depth look at the Keelo fitness app, covering everything from user experience to key features. For links to download the app and find more information, head down to the description below. Keelo is a high-intensity interval training (HIIT) app perfect for anyone seeking short, effective workouts that blend strength training with cardio. What distinguishes Keelo is its emphasis on functional fitness and full-body exercises, catering to both gym enthusiasts and home workout warriors. The app offers a versatile range of exercises using bodyweight, dumbbells, barbells, and machines, ensuring accessibility for all fitness levels. Every workout is scalable, meaning Keelo adapts to your individual needs, whether you're a beginner just starting out or an advanced athlete. Keelo's most impressive feature is its intelligent programming. The app generates a customized workout plan based on your fitness objectives, past activity, and available equipment. You'll find detailed workout breakdowns, helpful video demonstrations, and tips for maintaining correct form, which are especially valuable for those new to functional training. To monitor your progress, Keelo offers metrics like estimated calorie burn and a comprehensive workout history, enabling you to visualize your improvements over time. Integrating seamlessly with wearables like Apple Watch and Fitbit, Keelo enhances the workout experience by tracking your heart rate in real time, providing immediate feedback on your exertion levels. Furthermore, the app boasts a coaching feature, allowing you to ask fitness-related questions and receive personalized guidance, effectively putting a virtual personal trainer right in your pocket. One potential drawback is Keelo's subscription-based model. The cost might be considered higher compared to some other fitness apps. However, the level of personalized programming, professional workout design, and access to expert coaching arguably justifies the price for individuals serious about achieving their functional fitness goals. So, who is Keelo ideal for? It's a perfect fit for busy individuals seeking efficient, high-intensity workouts and those who enjoy functional, CrossFit-style training. If you value structured, guided programs that deliver maximum results in minimal time, Keelo is an excellent choice. This concludes our Keelo app review. For further details and to try the app for yourself, check out the links in the description. Share your thoughts and any questions you have in the comments below.